In this video, I'll show you how to add a subdomain to your Shopify store. First, it helps to understand what a subdomain is. A subdomain is simply a prefix added before your main domain, like shop.yourstore.com, blog.yourstore.com, or us.yourstore.com. Shopify says you can add subdomains in two different ways depending on where your main domain is managed. If your domain is managed by Shopify, you can create the subdomain directly inside Shopify. If your domain is with a third-party provider, you need to create the subdomain in your provider's DNS settings and then connect it to Shopify. If your domain is managed inside Shopify, log into your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Domains, and click the root domain you want to use. In the Subdomains section, click Add Subdomain, enter the prefix you want, like shop or blog, and then click Save. Shopify also says you can later change the domain type so that subdomain works as a primary domain, redirect, or alias if needed. If your domain is managed by a third-party provider, the process starts outside Shopify. Sign in to your domain provider account, open the DNS settings, and create a CNAME record for the subdomain you want to use. In the host or alias field, enter the subdomain prefix and point that CNAME record to shops.myshopify.com. After saving the DNS change, go back to your Shopify admin. Open Settings, then Domains. Click Connect Existing Domain. Type the full subdomain, such as shop.example.com, and follow the prompts to verify the connection. After that, give it some time. Shopify says domain changes usually take effect within about 2 hours, but in some cases they can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. If the subdomain doesn't connect properly, double-check that the CNAME points to shops.myshopify.com. And make sure your DNS provider isn't using unsupported proxy features that can interfere with Shopify. Once the connection is complete, test the subdomain in your browser and make sure it loads the correct Shopify store page. If needed, you can go back into Domains and adjust how that subdomain behaves. That's how to add a subdomain to your Shopify store. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.